In this video, we will show you the steps to integrate the payment gateway using StackBill portal. Expand configuration menu and click on Chargeback option. We can provide discount and additional services for specific clients using this option. You can provide demo access to your clients using trial and live setting. PayPal configuration option will provide you to configure your PayPal gateway for your clients. Resource allocation will allows you to configure the required resources for your clients. Thanks for watching this video. Please check the help page for more information.